Students, let us find trigonometric ratios of some more standard angles. Today, I am taking here, first of all, trigonometric ratio of angle 45 degree. Okay, beta. For this, you draw a right angle triangle. Only thing you have to do is this, that this is isosceles triangle in which two sides are equal. Okay, suppose this side is A, this side is also A, so we have to find here hypotenuse. So again, if you apply Pythagoras theorem, so we are applying Pythagoras theorem, we get hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Here base is equal to this and perpendicular is to this, because these two angles here are of 45 degree. This is 45 degree, this is also 45 degree, because this is an isosceles triangle. So now if you simplify it further, you get this is a square plus a square. So you get hypotenuse square equals 2a square. So from here we can find hypotenuse, that is under root 2a. So children, here we get hypotenuse is equal to under root 2a. Okay. Now if you simplify it further, let us start. Here in this case, base is equal to a. This is base. Perpendicular is also equal to a, and here this hypotenuse is equal to under root 2a. Now you have to find sine 45. So let us start how to find sine 45. Sine 45 is nothing, perpendicular over hypotenuse. So here perpendicular is a and hypotenuse is under root 2a. A cancel out with a and we are getting here 1 by root 2. Similarly, if you try to find cos 45, it comes out to be base upon hypotenuse. So here again, base here is a and hypotenuse is under root 2a. So you cancel this, again you get the value 1 by root 2. Similarly, if you try to find tan 45, now look, this tan 45, this is perpendicular over base. Okay, now here both perpendicular and base are equal. You are getting a upon a, cancel out, you get 1. Similarly, if you try to find out cot 45, now if you try to find out, this is cot 45. So cot 45 is nothing, reciprocal of tan, right? Or you can write it as base upon perpendicular. So again you are getting a upon a, answer comes out to be 1. Similarly, if you try to find out secant 45, secant 45 is reciprocal of cos, that is under root 2. If you try to find out cosecant 45, that again comes out to be reciprocal of sine, that is under root 2. So in this way we can find the value of the standard trigonometric ratios of the standard angle 45 degree. Now let us try to find out trigonometric ratios of 0 degree. Now children, for this let us understand, I will give you a trick. See, I was telling you this is an OP line, it moved from here to here. Suppose at any moment it is here, this angle was theta and you draw a perpendicular. So obviously here this was base, this was perpendicular and this was hypotenuse in the previous case. Now suppose you move this in clockwise direction and suppose this hypotenuse come to this line. Now what happened in that case? In that case, hypotenuse becomes equal to base and perpendicular becomes equal to 0. I mean, only then you get 0 degree. For 0 degree, you have to move it in this direction. So perpendicular is 0, hypotenuse is equal to base. Now look, you are seeing, now you are trying to find out sine 0 degree. Now sine 0 degree is nothing, perpendicular over hypotenuse. So here 0 divided by hypotenuse, you get nothing but 0. Now if you try to find out cos 0, now look at it. Now this is nothing, base. Now since this hypotenuse coincided with base, you get base upon base. So cancel out and you get it 1. Similarly, if you try to find tan 0 degree, now tan 0 degree is the perpendicular over base, but since perpendicular is 0, so here again you get 0 over base. This is nothing, 0. Similarly, children, if you try to find out cot 0 degree, now again this is reciprocal of tan. I was telling you earlier that something divided by 0 is undefined. So this is undefined. Okay, children. Now we have secant 0 degree. So secant 0 degree is nothing, 1 over cos 0, and 1 over cos 0 is nothing, 1 over 1. Answer comes out to be 1. Cosecant 0 degree. So cosecant 0 degree, 1 over sine 0. Okay. But you know again, this sine 0 is 0 here. This is again undefined. This is again undefined. Now I am coming to this angle 90 degree. Okay, let us start how to find it out. We will use here the same trick. So here we use the same trick. Now what is that trick? In this case, you do the similar trick that now if this revolving line, it was a revolving line, and it moved from here, and suppose angle becomes 90 degree. Now this line when move in this direction, what happened in this case? In this case, hypotenuse and perpendicular, they becomes equal. Hypotenuse becomes equal to perpendicular, and you know that base becomes equal to 0. Now you use the similar technique here. Now what is that similar technique? What is sine 90 degree. So in this case, sine 90 degree is nothing, perpendicular over hypotenuse. So you get 1 because they cancel out. Similarly, cos 90 degree, here you get base upon hypotenuse. So here base is 0 over hypotenuse, you get 0. Similarly, tan 90 degree. So tan 90 degree is nothing, base perpendicular over base. So in this case again you get perpendicular over 0. This is again undefined. Similarly, you can find cot 90 degree. So cot 90 degree reciprocal of tan. So reciprocal, this is base upon perpendicular. So again here 0 over perpendicular is nothing, 0. Similarly, we can find secant 90 degree. Secant 90 degree is 1 upon 0. Again, this is undefined. Okay. Now similarly, cosecant 90 degree. This is nothing, 1 over sine 90. So 1 over sine 90, that is 1 over 1. Answer is 1. See, when you try to find the trigonometric ratio of 90 and 0, in our 11th standard, we have a formula. We can apply that formula directly. For example, I am applying that formula for 90 degree. So what is the formula? The formula is sine 90 degree. We can write it sine. We can write it like this: sine 45 plus 45. So formula is, this is sine A cos B, cos plus cos A sine B. So we can apply that formula as well. We get here 1 by root 2. Here we get 1 by root 2. Yeah, 1 by root 2. and here we get 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. You simplify it further, you get half plus half. Here again answer comes out to be 1. But that technique we study in our higher classes. This trick I have given you to find out how to find the trigonometric ratios of some standard angle. So children, I have covered with you 0 degree, trigonometric ratio of 0 degree, then 30 degree, then 45 degree, then 60 degree and 90 degree. Somehow I will explain you in a chart. I will try to tell you that how to frame that chart in my next video. Okay. So children, let us try to learn a trick how to learn this trigonometric ratio chart for the standard angle 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree. Okay, very simple. You have to learn only 3 values, only 3. See, sine 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1 and tan 0 is 0. Okay, now this is undefined, then this is 1, it goes here. So only these 3, but 1 over 0 is undefined, so I have written like this. Likewise, this is 30 degree. Now I know this is half and cos is under root 3 by 2. And only this I have to learn, that tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Now rest of the things, see, this is cot reciprocal of this. So it is under root 3. It is 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of this. It is reciprocal of this. So it is 2. Similarly, if you take this 45 degree angle, this is 1 by root 2. And this is also 1 by root 2. And tan 45 is 1. Nothing. This 1. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of this is root 2. Reciprocal of this is also root 2. 60 degree. This is root 3 by 2. This is half and this is root 3. So reciprocal of this is 1 by root 3. Reciprocal of this is 2 and reciprocal of this is 2 by root 3. Similarly, 90 degree. Sin 90 degree is 1. Cos 90 is 0. And tan 90 is undefined. This is undefined. But this one is 0. Secant 0. This is 1 over cos, but this is again undefined. Okay, and this is reciprocal of 1. So this is the easiest way to find, to make this chart. There's no need to cram it. This is a very simple trick. You can learn it. Only you have to know the value of this side. These value you can understand. Suppose you know few values, rest of these values you can calculate. So practice it, because many questions you have to simplify by using these trigonometric ratios of some standard angles.